Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Webull for day trading beginners. We'll start by exploring the platform's user-friendly interface and key features designed to support your trading journey. Then, we'll cover the necessary steps to set up your account for day trading, ensuring you meet all regulatory requirements. Finally, I'll guide you through essential tools and resources available on Webull to help you analyze market trends effectively and make informed decisions. To begin day trading on Webull, you first need to open a brokerage account and complete the necessary verification process. It's crucial to fund your account with a minimum of $25,000 to avoid pattern day trader restrictions. This balance ensures you can execute more than 3 day trades within any rolling 5 business day period. Understanding these rules is vital for uninterrupted trading and managing your capital effectively from the start. Webull offers powerful tools to enhance your day trading experience. You can access real-time market data and advanced charting features to identify potential entry and exit points. Mastering various order types, such as limit orders for precise entry and stop-loss orders for risk management, is fundamental. Additionally, creating customized watch lists allows you to closely monitor stocks that fit your trading strategy, helping you react quickly to market movements. Effective risk management is paramount for successful day trading. Always define your maximum loss per trade, typically 1% to 2% of your capital, before entering any position. Webull's paper trading feature is an excellent way to practice strategies without risking real money, allowing you to gain confidence. Remember, continuous learning about market dynamics and refining your approach will significantly contribute to your long-term success as a day trader.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.